First thing we're going to do is just bring up the Fibonacci tool in MT4, which is in your tool panel up the top here, and we're just going to click on that, which allows you to pull out your fib levels. Actually, we might put it over here so you can get a better look at it, and we'll put it on this swing here. Okay, so first thing you'll notice is your standard fib retracement levels are the 38.2, the 50, the 61.8, and you'll also get a 23 in there sometimes. Now, I don't generally use a 23, so I haven't included that in this video. What I will show you how to add is your 78.1 retracement, as well as your deep fib zones, which is your 127 and your 161.8. and your fib extensions of 127 and 161.8. Okay, so let's get started. So you want to double click on your on this line here, right click, fib properties, and you'll see the fib parameters listed here with your level and description. So you want to click add, and first we'll add our 78.1 level. So you want to type 0.781. Because we're a retracement level, we're not retracing a full 1%, 1 or 100%. We're just retracing 78.1%. In the description, I generally put just 79, just because it's easier. And we'll hit OK, and you'll see that pop in there. Now, the next one that I want to show you how to add are the deep fib retracements, which are fairly straightforward. So the first one is going to be our 127, which is just a 1.276 to be exact, and we'll just call that the 127. And the next one, which is a very common one which I use, is the 161.8. So you'll do 1.618. So hit OK, and you'll notice if I just pull this down that the 127, the 168, I haven't actually added a description for the 168. I'll just put that one in there. Sorry, the 161, and OK, and the description's popped up. Alright, now the tricky one here is your fib extensions. So you kind of have to trick the fib tool into a fib extension, which are very valid, and I use that in my trading every day to find exhaustion levels. So let's have a look here. So we want to put the 127 in as well, so you go add. Now, to get a 127 deep fib zone, fib extension, so you want to put negative 0.276, and that's your 127 extension. So your 161 extension will be minus 0.618. And we'll just put the description in, which is the 161. And hit OK, and we've got our extensions in. So that's how you add your retracement extension levels on the Fibonacci with MT4.